And what motivated you to actually start coding? Like you started playing computer games, and then one day you decided, okay, I'm gonna learn PHP. Like what was the thing that made you start doing that?
Uh, so everything revolves around Minecraft again. Uh, like
Okay.
I met like my friend group at the moment, who were actually some very talented people who were in tech, and everything went like everything happened because of my Minecraft server, of course. Uh, Essentially, we met. I was very bored. It was like the start of summer break, like 2 years ago. I was very bored, so I didn't know what to do with essentially the 100 days I had ahead of me. And I started like doing what the others were doing in their like pastime activities. Like started experimenting with it and thought it was cool. So like yeah, everything was very strange. I'd say like wasn't very normal.
Yeah, interesting. So your friends from like the industry, the friends that are like actually programming already, they inspired you to learn programming and do these kind of things, right? If I'm not wrong.
Uh, I guess so. Like the whole thing was essentially I was bored. I looked at what they were doing and I was like, why not? Like I believe everything like it looks cool. I've been into tech my whole life. That's what I've been doing. Why not like try and do something useful with it, essentially.
Yeah, because games are useful, but it's also sometimes when you do it too much, it's a bit waste of time. And but it leads you to do interesting things. Like for me, it was learning English or learn hacking a bit. And for you, it seems like something like it's like easy to make the shift. When you are motivated about game, you will also be motivated about coding and hacking because it's like kind of like accomplishing thing in the game. As I feel it is like when I was accomplishing thing in the game, it's like I'm accomplishing things in life. So if it's like skills, like leveling up and getting more skills for my character in real life, I'm getting better in auditing, I'm learning better Solidity, I'm learning Cairo. If it's like items and drops, it's like in the monetary state, right? Because in the real life, you also like make money and invest and all these kind of things. So it's like you can find a lot of similarities between like games to real life. And it's very, very interesting to hear that you also started with games and shifted to make it something like valuable in the real
Yeah,
life.
actually, yes, yes. So gamifying your learning is actually something very useful. It helped me out a bit as well. But it like depends on what type of person you are. If you are like that competitive type of person who actually likes like achieving stuff, like if you're that guy that feels good after they've completed a mission or something, you are definitely someone who should try like gamifying whatever they're doing. It could be like the sphere that we're in, can be like working out and stuff. Like it can be everything. Like gamifying your approach is something that leads to some very consistent results and to a certain degree of discipline.
I totally agree. Gamifying your system and your learning process can help you progress a lot. Not only learning everything, basically, every goals and achievements. By the way, that's why I invested a lot of time to make the course website in like a gamified way. So every time you finish a lecture or an exercise, you have like the percentage on top and you can mark it as check. So it gives a bit of dopamine and pushes you to go forward and complete the course. Did you enjoy this like gamification process? Did it help you like progress better?
Actually, the progress bar is something that I've been looking forward to. Like seeing something go up and like yeah, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Actually helps a lot. Like
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the
It's fun. I wish I would do. I mean, I wouldn't do the course myself because. By the way, we're talking about a contract hacking course that Chris is also part of it. He completed the course. He is like graduate, and I wish I would be able to have like same course to do it myself, but it wouldn't make sense because I'm the one who recorded all the videos. But I believe that the experience in the student side is very, very like nice. I hope so.
immersive.